Hey guys, let's unbox this Techwood 3-in-1 sandwich maker. You can use it to make sandwich, waffle and grill. So normally I have the one for just sandwich and I have another one for waffle. So I decided to get this one, which is 3-in-1. So let's just unbox and try it out. We are going to be making sandwich. Yeah, this is what the carton look like. So this is what the machine look like.
What did you do?
I'm on it not and do small.
This is
Oh, it came with the sandwich maker. So this one is for the waffle. Nathan, let me do it. My son will not let me do this. Oh, this one is for the grill.
And this also.
Yeah, this one is also for the grill. I like how it's very easy to share. That's one thing I checked before I got it. Just have to press here. That is what it's very easy to remove. So I'm going to remove it and wash this because we are going to be using this right away. So here I already have my egg and cheese with some bread. So I'm going to just cover it. So let's see. So it's ready when the green light is out. Now it's only the red light that is showing. Wow, that looks good. I think I left it for too long. The cheese are all melted, but it looks good. What do you guys think? So guys, today we are going to be trying a waffle with our machine. So this is the waffle a recipe that came with the machine. So we're just going to try this. So guys, our waffle is ready, looking so beautiful. Wow.